When I was a kid, I had this breathing problem. I don't know what kind of sickness I'm having that time. Every time we play running, any kind of games, they always caught me. I am the easy prey. Keep it as a secret from my parents because I don't want them to worry and I don't want them to scold me. I involve myself more on sports. I joined baseball, basketball, volleyball. Made me more active. Doing that every day made my sickness just disappear. When I'm playing with my friends, they were surprised to catch me. I was born to be tough, born to be warrior.